Hello everyone, welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is 742 new species discovered in Congo Basin. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. A new study by WWF reveals the discovery of 742 new species of flora and fauna in the Congo Basin between 2013 and 2023. These species include plants, invertebrates, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, many of which are new to science. The Congo Basin is the second largest rainforest in the world and spans several countries in Central Africa, including Cameroon, the Central African Republic, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Some of these species were likely known to locals but are newly documented in the scientific community. Before we move further, Drishti IAS in Noida presents the IASGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course. The first offline batch is now open in both Hindi and English medium. Join us on December 9th for the Hindi medium batch at 3 p.m. and on December 12th for the English medium batch at 6 p.m. The classes will be held at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, just a short walk from the Noida Sector 15 metro station. For more details, call us at 9311-406-440. Don't miss this opportunity to take the first step toward your IAS journey with Drishti IAS. Now let's discuss about key findings in the Congo Basin. 430 plant species were discovered, including new orchids, coffee species, ferns, and flowering plants from genera like coffee, hibiscus, and begonia. 140 invertebrates were identified, including ants, beetles, flies, moths, and a new species of firefly. 96 fish species were found, including catfish, electric fish, and swamp eels. 22 amphibian species, primarily frogs, were discovered along with 25 new reptile species, including blind snakes, cobras, and bush vipers. The discovery also included new birds, mammals like a new monkey, another remarkable species like lord frogs, shrews, and a turtle. Now moving on to regional distribution of discoveries. The largest number of species were discovered in the Gabon. Cameroon contributed 238 species and Equatorial Guinea with 59 species. Other species were found in the Republic of Congo and the Central African Republic. Lastly, let's discuss about the significance and impact of this discovery. This discovery highlights the biodiversity richness of the Congo Basin, reinforcing its importance as a global ecological hotspot. The findings underscore the necessity of conservation efforts in preserving the unique and fragile ecosystems of the rainforest. The discovery of new species also brings attention to scientific exploration in regions that remain understudied and suggest the presence of many more unknown species. Now is the time for practice question. Which country contributed the most species to the Congo Basin discoveries? Cameroon, Democratic Republic of Congo, Gabon, or Central African Republic? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.